Hi everybody, today we are going to study binary number, which will be our last lecture on binary number. In period second, I have given some examples in which first example was convert 100 to decimal. So its answer is 36. Next example was convert 1101010 to decimal and its answer is 106. Next example was convert 1111000 to decimal and its answer was 120. Next example was write the ones complement of 73. In this example, we first convert 73 to binary number and then its complement was 01101110. Next example was write ones complement of 29.763. In that we have to first calculate 29.763 into binary, in which we have to write its in the form 29 plus 0.763, and we have to first find 29 binary conversion, and after that we have to convert 0.763 to binary, and it was 29.0763. its binary conversion is 11101.11 and its complement is 00010.00. Now we are going to study addition of a binary number. In that there are some rules of addition. In that first rule is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Second rule is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, third rule is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And next, last rule is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, it is 1 plus 1. In decimal it is 2. In binary number we write it as 1 0, where 1 is a carry forward. Okay, which will be a carry number which we used in regular addition. So we read it as 10, not as a 10. Okay. Next, we can also write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to. Now addition of this 1 plus 1 is 1 0, plus again this one is added, so it can be written as 1 0 plus 1, it is again 1 1, that is 1 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and it will be right is as it is, because no number is here, it will be considered as 0. So it will be 1 1, where when doing addition this one will be again carry forward. For example, now we take the examples on addition of binary number. Example number first, add 0 1 0 and 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 plus 1 0 1 can be added as. Now we take addition. 0 plus 1 is 1 by rules of addition. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. These are some simple examples on addition. Next example, consider add 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 0. So this can be written as 1 1 0 0 1 plus 1 1 0. So again its addition is 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 1. Here no number, so it can be right is as it is. Okay, so our answer is 1 1 1 1 1. Consider next example. Add 1 0 1 and 0 1 1. Okay, now here 1 plus 1, if we see the rule, 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 0. Do not consider this 2. We write it as 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Now in this example, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, where 1 is carry forward. Okay, now you have to write 1 plus 1 it as 0 and its carry term is 1. Okay, its carry is 1. Now again 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, is again 1 0. So again 1 is carry. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, and here no numbers are present, so we can write it as 1 here directly. Okay, so our answer is 1 0 0. Here these numbers you can write it as carry, which are used in regular examples. Also we write carry numbers above the addition. Okay, again you see this example only. 1 plus 1, in this we know that by rule 1 plus 1 is 1 0. We write 1 plus 1 0 and 1 is our carry number. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, so again 1 0. Here we write 0 and carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 0, and here no digit or no bit is there, so we write here directly 1, or you write here 1 and you can write it as directly 1 0 0. Okay, now next example is add 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Again here 1 plus 1, we know that 1 plus 1 is 1 0, where 1 is carry. So here we write a carry numbers in this row. So 1 plus 1 is 0 1, so we write 0 here and take carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, so we write here 0 and carry is 1. Okay, now again 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is again 1 plus 1, which is again 1 0, so write here 0, carry will be 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 1 0, so write 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1, and last 1. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, 1 1 0 0 0 0 is our addition of the given two numbers, binary numbers. Next example, add 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Here 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, so we write 0, carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 1 0, so write here 0, carry is 1. Now in this example 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is here 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, again adding 1 in this number we will get 1 1. Okay, where this 1 is a carry, so we write 1 1 1 as 1 and carry 1. Okay, again 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So next number 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, we write 0 here, carry is 1. Again 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1 0, we write 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which have calculated here, 1 1 is again 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0, we write 0 here, carry is 1. Again last 1 plus 1 is 1 0, we write directly 1 0, because no digit no bit is present to the left, so we write it directly 1 0. Okay, which is our answer of given addition of two binary number. Now these two examples is for your homework work, or you may pause this video and solve this. In that first example is add 10101 and 11011, which have answer 110000. Please solve it and check whether you have solved it correctly or not. Next example is add 111010 and 11001, and this addition is 1010011. Please check the solutions of the given examples, and if you have any problem, please rewind it and please check which step is you are wrong. Okay, so these are some examples. Now we add some decimal types binary numbers. In that first example is add 10101.101 and 1101.011. So now we calculate it. 1 plus 1, we know that 1 plus 1 is 10, where 1 is carry. So 1 plus 1 is 10. We write 0 and carry term is 1. Here we are writing carry. So again 1 plus 1 is 0, 10. 1 is again carry. 1 plus 1 is again 10. So we write here 0 and carry is 1. Now we take a point. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, we know we have solved this type of also. 1 plus 1 is 10, and again adding 1 we get 1 1, where this is a carry 1. Okay, carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is again 1 and carry term is 1. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, there is no any carry here. So 1 plus 1 is 10. So we write here 0. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1 again 10. Carry will be 1. And 1 plus 1 0. No bytes are present. So we write it directly as 1 0. Okay. So that we get a required answer. Please see it carefully and do calculation in silently. This you also can write 10001 only, because after point all these are zeros. So we can also write this answer as 1000011. Next example is add 111.0111 and 10011.001. So we write first number 111.0111. Now second number is 10011. Now first we write right side here below that number. After point it is 001. Okay, and to the left numbers are 11001. Okay, when we are doing addition, below this number is no byte, so we can no bit, so we can write here 0, and here also we can write it as 0 0. Okay, so do addition of this number now. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 10. So we write here 0. Carry is 1. So 1 plus 1 is again 10. We write here 0. Carry is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Point is as it is at that place only. 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, we write 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1, so we write here 1 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is again 1 0, we write 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1, no carry, so last 1 plus 0 is 1. So which is our required answer. Okay, this was all about addition of two binary numbers. Okay, now we go to our next point,